If you are someone or know someone who fixes everything and prefers to DIY instead of calling a professional, then this video is for you. You'll learn the psychology of people who know how to fix everything or who DIY a lot. Why is it that every single time something breaks in your house, there's always that one person everyone calls? Not a professional, not Google, just them. And trust me, it's not about being naturally good with hands. 1. The tinkering brain. These people were rarely told, "Don't touch that," as kids. Somewhere early on, curiosity won over caution. Their brains got wired to see a broken thing not as a problem, but as an invitation. 2. Comfort with looking stupid. Here's the part nobody talks about. Fixers fail constantly. Wrong screws, wasted parts, 3 YouTube tabs open at once. The difference is they don't attach their ego to the mess up. One engineer at MIT once said something that stuck with a lot of people. Every broken thing is just information you haven't read yet. 3. The control loop. When life feels chaotic, bills, deadlines, relationships you can't control, fixing a leaky faucet gives an instant, tiny win. Psychologists call this a control loop. Your brain craves small, solvable problems when the big ones feel unsolvable. 4. Pattern brain, not genius brain. DIYers aren't smarter, they've just seen more patterns. A wobbly chair, a jam drawer, a flickering light. To them it's not new. It's a variation of something they already half solved before. 5. The I'd rather try identity. Somewhere along the way, fixers started seeing themselves as the type of person who tries first, asks later. It's not a skill, it's an identity they built one small repair at a time. And identity is sticky. Once you see yourself as capable, you keep proving it. 6. The dopamine of click. That tiny moment when the part finally fits, the switch flips, the wobble stops. That's a dopamine hit most people never chase because they never finish the attempt. Fixers chase that click. It's addictive in the healthiest way possible. So next time you watch someone casually fix a cabinet hinge or rewire a lamp without blinking, know this: it's not magic, it's not talent. It's a brain trained to treat broken things as puzzles instead of problems. And honestly, that mindset alone, staying curious, tolerating failure, chasing small wins, might fix a lot more than just your furniture.